What is up, YouTube? It's your boy, HateFulBat. Back again with another YouTube video, and today we're gonna be doing an IRL. And yes, I have been gone for I don't know how many months. I have been gone for probably 8 months. Alright. Now the reason I have been gone for 8 months, listen. I was waiting till I get some better equipment and all that, but it's grind season. We in quarantine and stuff like that. But anywho, I'll get more into details in another video. But today in this video, we're going to make some pizza. It's gonna be a different type of pizza, right? So I saw this YouTuber, Angry Grandpa, gonna make a Angry Grandpa trailer park pizza, something like that. So the ingredients that we have, can't flip the camera, but we gotta do some bacon, right? So we're gonna do some bacon. The next thing, we're gonna, I forgot. Next thing that we got bacon. Then we got some biscuits. This time I use honey butter. I mean, use any type of biscuit, honestly. Then got some pepperoni, some mozzarella, pizza sauce. My fault you guys can't see me, and some butter to spray on the pan. And why I can't talk? Well, if I talk funny, teeth is tweaking. But let's get into the cooking. Let's go, man. Let's get it. Let's go. Alright guys, so we got the bacon cooking right now in the moment. So we got 4 strips of bacon. So the next thing we're about to do, put the biscuits in the pan. So open up the biscuits because it's kind of hard to do with one hand. It is sticky. But got the biscuits. We got to try to set up right here. If not, I might just cut it. But I'm going to set this up right quick. Then I'm going to check on the bacon. Then going to add some mozzarella. I'm going to fall to it. So I will be right back, man. Let's get it, man. Let's go. I'm very excited. And hopefully this turned out good. I don't know, but we'll see in a minute. Let's get it, man. Alright guys, so far right now, I put the biscuits in the pan. I use butter spray so it won't stick. So I can't believe it's not butter. Use that. About to put the sauce in a second. Got the biscuits, got the butter. I sprayed the butter, then I put the biscuit on. Now we're gonna head to the bacon. The bacon is almost done. I ain't gonna use a lot of bacon because I'm not really a bacon person. Really, the bacon honestly is done, to be honest. So we're gonna take that out, put it up right there. Take it out. Yeah, bacon done, so we got the bacon out the way. Now we're gonna pour the we're gonna pour the sauce, the pizza sauce on it. We'll do that. So, yeah, this is my first time ever recording. IRL. I'm very excited, so I'm gonna get a big spoon. Give me a second, guys. I was unprepared. And also preheat the oven to 350. So, so the bacon, so the biscuits can, ride and get juicy and everything. So I got a spoon, so to spread the sauce. So now you want to get your piece of sauce. You want to spread it. Not too much, honestly, I guess as your liking, to be honest. I don't want to put too much on it, but we're going to go with the flow, honestly, and see. So, we're going to spread the pizza sauce. Oh, so far looking good. I ain't going to hold you. Yes, sir. Yes, Zerski. So, we'll add some more, I ain't hold you. It's not enough. I ain't going to cap on you. So, a little bit more. Let's see. Boom. And don't worry, guys. I'll get better over time. We're recording for sure. Right now, it's my first video in a very long time. And it's my first IRL in a minute as well. So this might be enough. I might add a little bit more. I'm not too sure, but so far, so good. What you guys think? Think I'm doing a good job? I think it looked decent. So now I'm about to add the mozzarella. Might as well do it in one. Why not? I need to give me a tripod, honestly. So hold on, I'm gonna put you guys down right quick. But honestly, I need me a tripod. It'll be a lot easier to do. To be 100 with you guys. But All good. Got the mozzarella. See, it is kind of chunky, but let's try to do it with one hand, like a boss. Let's see. One hand. Can we do it? Probably not, but try my best. So put a little bit of mozzarella on it. So I'm gonna put the mozzarella on it right quick. Then I will show you guys the next step. So I will be right back. I'm flip upside down. That's tough. I'll be right back, man. Let's get it. Let's go. I'm very excited. Hopefully this time to be good, but we will see in a minute. All right, guys. So I added the mozzarella cheese. Then I added some pepperoni. Then I added the bacon. Then after that, I added a little bit more cheese on it. So now we're gonna put it in the oven. Might put it in the oven for like maybe 20 minutes, but let's see if it's hot at the bottom. Okay, no, it's not. So we're gonna put it in the oven for like 20 minutes, or until it really like, you know, done cooking. So set the timer for 20. See, 20. All right, guys. So I will see you guys in 20 minutes. So I'm gonna clean this mess up, cause I don't like to have like a dirty kitchen. You know, I'm a very picky person. So I will see you guys in 20. All right, guys. Just got the piece out the oven. Took like a good like 40 minutes. Like I ain't gonna hold you. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. But it's the finished product, bro. I ain't gonna hold you. This pizza look good. Like I ain't gonna like lie to you. So about to get the not pizza cutter, but I'm gonna get the spoon. I'm gonna try to cut the pizza. So we're gonna bring one of the plates over here. We're gonna cut it not too big, but hopefully just cut like straight through. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's gonna cut straight through. Hold on, guys. Give me a second. I'll be right back. I'm gonna have the piece on the plate and we're gonna taste it. So we'll be right back, guys. All right, guys. I'm gonna try the pizza for the first time, man. Look at this pizza, bro. It look good. Like I ain't gonna hold you, bro. I'm excited, bro. It's kind of hard for me to chew because of my tooth. See? But we're gonna try it anyway. Hope it tastes good. Cross fingers. Cross fingers. I don't want a lot. I don't want to hold you, but like a good amount. So I'm gonna show you guys. The bottom is kind of burnt, but like no BS. That tastes good. Like no cap, bro. It was hard for me to chew, but wow, that's good. Oh my god, bro. You guys have to try it at home. This recipe. It's really good. Like no cap with the bacon, the pepperoni, the mozzarella. Good. I ain't gonna hold you. It's good. I want you guys to make it. This is my first time ever making it. I'm very proud of myself. Took some time. Like just the bacon took a minute to cook, but overall, like it's good. Like I'm not gonna lie, it's really good. So after I get done with this video, I'm about to eat this up. Try my best. But if you guys do like this video, man, if you guys want more videos like this, leave a like and leave a comment below. Let me guys know, like, do you guys want more videos like this? If so, man, if so, leave a like and leave a comment, and I'll do more videos like this. Has me your boy HateFulBat. I'm back on YouTube, back on the grind. Very excited. I'm gonna have more IRLs and gameplays for you guys coming soon. Has me your boy HateFulBat, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I am out. Peace.